I was just sent this wind chime set. This is such a cute set and it came packaged really nice. I was just going to show you just how they were all done. Now these are little bitty hummingbirds and they are so cute. They each hang down and there are 6 of them. It's just a nice metal, beautiful little hummingbird that are on here. And then we have an all aluminum piping that goes on here as well. So they will make a nice noise. They're already starting up. This is about 42 inches long and around 5-ish inches around. That is so cute. So it starts out at the top with a really nice big hummingbird. And then you come down here, you've got a nice little cover. And as you can hear, it has a really nice tune to it. I like how it has all these little bell housings in here just to create a different noise on all of the poles. And with this way that this metal is, you can actually leave it outside so it's water resistant, weather resistant. Looks absolutely beautiful just hanging in a tree, or if you want to put it up somewhere else, you can easily do that. Just adds a lot of character and beauty to any outdoor setting.